The Fairbanks Weather Service has upgraded the tropical storm watch to a tropical storm warning. Please pay attention to the following instructions. Shelter in place on the top floor of a building until the storm passes. Ensure that all your household electricity is turned off prior to the tropical storm, as your house may flood and the water will become electrocuted. After the storm has passed, you will receive a all-clear message. When this happens, ensure that your belongings are in a safe, dry place and assess the damage from your rooftop or top-story windows if possible. Power lines may drop during the storm and the water around you could become electrified. Do not attempt to cross or swim flood waters, as debris may be floating underwater. Rescue teams are being dispatched to the town. Please remain calm and wait for help to arrive.